So LCM applications are over. Now in this video, I will start the HCF applications. What is the difference between LCM applications and HCF applications? So there are two keynotes you have to put in our mind. Find the least number. That is one keynote. Which is exactly divisible by some values are given. Least number divisible by 5, 10, just like some numbers is given. That is the LCM application. Okay. So HCF application means find the largest number. That is one keynote. That will divides 120, 160, 180, just like it is given. Understood? These are the differences between LCM applications and HCF applications. By observing the keynotes, so you have to decide whether it is LCM application or HCF application it is. So LCM application means find the least number, that is one keynote. Another keynote is that divides some values is given 5, 10, 15, 20. Now HCF application is find the largest number, one keynote. Another keynote is that will divide 120, 160, 180, just like divides. Now see here HCF application, question number 14, continuation of so LCM and HCF it is find the largest number. Now here what is given? Find the largest number. Now here 4 examples are given. So the first one is exactly divides 120, 160, 180. Now what is exactly divides means what you do? Simply you have to calculate the HCF for the given values. HCF of 120, 160, 180. What is the largest number? That will exactly divides means you have to calculate simply HCF of the given value. We know the shortcut. What is the shortcut to calculate the HCF? That we learnt in the previous videos. Select one number that divides all the numbers. Now select one number here, 20, that divides all the numbers. Okay, 26, 28, 29. Again select one number that divides all the numbers. Now there is no number which divides all the numbers. So what is the HCF now? 20. So what is the largest number that will exactly divides 120, 160, 180? 20. Now go for second question. What is the second question here? That will divide, see here, that will divide 123, 163, 183, leaves remainder 3. Remainder is given here. Remainder 3 is given in each and every case, remainder 3. So what you do, that remainder is to be subtracted from each and every number, and the remaining values you have to calculate the HCF. May see here HCF of, so what you have to calculate? HCF of 123 minus 3. So 163 minus 3, 183 minus 3. So from each and every number, the remainder is to be subtracted. For the rest of the values, you have to calculate the HCF. Means indirectly what you got now? Again the same HCF of 120, so 160 and 180. What is HCF? Already we know. So 20. So by dividing 20, so what you got? 123 by 20, 3 remainder. 163 by 20, 3 remainder. 183 by 20, 3 remainder. So what is the largest number that will divide 123, 163, 183, leaves remainder 3 in each case means what is the answer? 20. So what is the method you have to follow? From each and every number, the remainder is to be subtracted. For the rest of the values, you have to calculate the HCF. Now see here question number 3. So what is question number 3 here? Now that will divide. See here. Find the largest number that will divide 123, 165, 187. Leaves reminders 3, 5, 7. So 3 numbers, 3 reminders. 4 numbers, 4 reminders. Just like is given. The same strategy you have to follow. Okay. What you do? From each and every number, the respective remainder is to be subtracted. For the remaining values, you have to calculate the HCF. One remainder is given, or 4 numbers, 4 reminders, 3 numbers, 3 reminders is given. We follow the same strategy. Now, what is the number now? HCF. You have to calculate the HCF. So 123, remainder is 3, minus 3. Now 165, remainder is 5, minus 5. Now 187, so remainder is 7. Okay. Now what is the here? HCF of again 120, 160, 180. We know the HCF, 20 is the HCF. That is the largest number that will divide 123, 165, 187, leaves remainders 3, 5, 7 respectively. When 123 divided by 20, remainder is 3. When 165 remainder divided by 20, remainder is 5. When 187 divided by 20, remainder is 7. Okay, only one remainder is given, or 3 numbers, 3 remainders, 4 numbers, 4 remainders, 5 numbers, 5 remainders is given. We follow the same strategy. So from each and every number, their respective remainders be subtracted. For the rest of the values, in how to calculate the HCF it is. Now here, fourth one. What is the fourth one here? So find the largest number that will divide 125, 165, 185, leaves the same remainder in each case. Very, very important keynote is the same remainder. So in the question, same remainder is given. You have to calculate the HCF of so possible differences. For the given values, possible differences, you have to calculate the HCF it is. Now HCF first two numbers different. Difference means larger minus smaller. 165 minus 125. Now 185 minus 165. Now 185 minus 125. So these are the possible differences. For the given numbers, possible differences. For the possible differences, you have to calculate the HCF. When you go for this strategy, in the given data, same remainder is given. Same remainder is given. Now see here, what are the differences now? HCF of 165 minus 125 means 40. 185 minus 165 means 20. 185 minus 125 means 60. Now what is the HCF again? Select one number. The shortcuts you have to put in your mind by practicing. Previous videos you have to see how can you calculate the HCF shortcut. That we learned in one video it is. Select one number that divides all the numbers. Now here 20. 20 divides all the numbers. So HCF of 40, 20, 60 is what now? 20. Now check the condition. When 125 divided by 20, 5 is the remainder. 165 divided by 20, 5 is the remainder. 185 divided by 20, 5 is the remainder. So in each and every case, the same remainder you got. This strategy you have to follow. Thank you to all of you.